Hi guys, welcome to another web development tutorial. I am Josef Botnar. This tutorial has the goal to speak about line break HTML element. I'm using this file line break.html. Actually, the content of this file is the same as I have used in previous tutorial. It's about this file paragraph HTML. I added this line here, which represent a address. As this address appears here, and you can see this if you have a look over here on the left side on the website. Yeah, it's absolutely correct. They all the element which is part of this address appear together, which is very correct. But what if you want to put on the next line the street and the town and the code post on the following lines? To do so, you have this option to use line break element. So I'm going to use this line break tag, namely BR, and if you have a look over on the website here, down here, you will see on the bottom now the street, the number and the street, the town and the code post went on next line because I used this line break tag. If I want to continue with this to put on the next lines the town and the code post, I'm going to insert another line break tag. So I'm going to put here before the town this line break tag BR, yeah, and here I'm going to put another one. And here you go. So in this way, this address is very compact. You can realize that all the element belongs to this address. So this is the way to use this line break tag. You might have seen this in this way, using this forward slash. In this way, this line break tag is used in HTML. If you have a look over here down on the website, nothing was changed because HTML5 allowed you to use this line break in this way, because the common use of this in HTML5 is without this forward slash. I'm going to remove it. As you can see, that line break tag doesn't have a close tag, because that it's called empty tag. It has no close tag, and if you encountered this tag in this way with this forward slash, this tag is called self-closing tag in XHTML. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials, or maybe to follow this series of web development tutorials. See you next time.